Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a compatible Unity version, and a VRChat account. Create or sign into your VRChat account now, and then enable developer access in account settings so you can upload content. Once done, install the correct Unity LTS release and open a new project. Make sure the Unity layout and build target are set for Windows or Android as needed. This initial setup reduces version conflicts later, so don't skip matching Unity to the SDK. Now you download the VRChat SDK package that matches your Unity version and save it locally. Open Unity, then use Assets Import Package Custom Package to bring the SDK into your project and import all files. After import, confirm the VRC SDK folders and example prefabs appear in the project window. These prove the SDK loaded correctly. Once visible, open the VRChat SDK control panel and log in with your account so Unity can authenticate uploads and avatars. Finally, configure player settings, bundle identifier, target graphics, and the correct build platform so your avatar or world compiles cleanly. Use the VRChat SDK control panel to run validation checks, fix any missing components or script errors that show up, and then build the asset. Once the build completes without errors, use the SDK panel to upload to your VRChat account. If upload fails, restart Unity, re-import the SDK, and recheck player settings. Most issues stem from mismatched Unity versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.